Okay, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me or not. I'm really tired. Excuse me. I don't care if you guys know I'm tired. I just woke up. My dog last night decided that she could not sleep. Stop it, Sunny. And so she spent her whole night barking and yiping, and I sleep with this dog. So, I did not sleep last night. Here's the culprit. It's her fault. And then my dad, I finally fall asleep. I've been asleep about an hour, and my dad calls. And because I was awake, because he woke me up, because his phone rang, I couldn't go back to sleep. Go away! Stop it, Sonny! Plus, I have this monstrosity. I mean it! Knock it off! You can see, I can't do anything. I can't even talk. Stop it! This is amazingly boring. I'm pretty sure you know what they're doing. Shh! 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 Excuse me a moment. Sonny! Get up! Okay, I'm back. I'm still in my jammies. They're amazing jammies. It's a tank top. Whoop. And, sleep bottoms. I totally jacked for my mom. I had to let the dog out. I had to. Scratching my arm out. Anyway. I'm on my couch today. God, I don't like doing that. And you've seen me in my room, which would be the paneling in the background, the wood paneling. You've seen me on the truck with my dad. I don't know. I don't know if you've ever seen me in my living room. You might have. I don't know. Anyway, I am going to stop talking now. Maybe make something more when I'm awake. But I'm not awake. So, thanks for watching, guys.